In 2017, planning work began on one of the largest projects in the cathedral's history, the restoration of the roof. In 2019, work began on the site and it is envisaged this work will be completed by summer 2021.
Well, this project is an answer to an existential threat, because if you cannot have a secure cathedral, nothing can go on within it. You cannot have worship, you can't have education programs, you can't have your community outreach, you can't have tourism, and we were faced with a severe problem here.
The complexity of the project is ultimately it's a building that has been here and it's very much established and part of Dublin. And we're very mindful that we're working with a church which is a destination for, say, tourists, but also it's a live and active church. So there is things like sermons going on and other activities.
St Patrick's Cathedral is one of the most important religious, cultural or heritage sites in Ireland. There has been a church on this site for over 1,000 years. According to popular legend, St Patrick himself visited the site and used water from a local well to convert pagans. St Patrick's has borne witness to countless wars, revolutions and reformation. 150 years ago, the cathedral underwent its largest ever restoration, thanks to the generosity of Sir Benjamin Lee Guinness.
Between 1860 and 1865, a major restoration of the cathedral was carried out by Benjamin Lee Guinness. And what we see now here is the result of the Guinness restoration.
He managed to conserve, protect and save really the cathedral in a period of 3 years. It was an unbelievable undertaking. He did it, as I mentioned, at his own cost, his own enormous cost. One of the things we've discovered as we've gone about replacing his work is how very, very good it was, and the materials and craftsmen were superlative. One of the first major projects we undertook here in a very long time in terms of scale would have been the complete repointing and restoration of the tower. The tower itself was destroyed by fire in the 1400s. Then later on we would have moved on to the Lady Chapel, for instance. Lady Chapel just to my left. It was a later addition to the cathedral, replacing a chapel around 1270, has a very interesting history and past. So we actually restored it right from the roof right down to the tiles and relit the space, resurfaced or the walls that was required and cleaned all the beautiful stained glass windows. An extraordinarily complicated and integrated project.
Next year, 2021, we shall be celebrating 800 years of the beginning of the construction of St Patrick's Cathedral as we see it now. So it's very opportune indeed that we use this special anniversary, very significant one at that, to secure the future of the cathedral for the next 800 years and a lot more besides.
The restoration of the roof is a landmark project in the long history of St Patrick's Cathedral. Its successful completion will ensure that the cathedral remains a part of Ireland's cultural heritage for many years of history to come.